Hi guys, sorry I'm gone again today, but you're going to continue working on your project from Thursday. Mrs. Novinska should pass out your worksheet and you should see that this first page is finished and you have detailed predictions of the three types of matter on the first page along with excellent sentences written here. On Thursday, you should have had some time to play around with the simulation and get used to its features, and you should be ready to continue on with your work. If you need to spend a few minutes playing with the features again to review, that's fine, but don't get bogged down in play because you really do have a lot of work to do. So 3 minutes should be enough. Today, what you're going to do is investigate. And you'll read these prompts and then do what it says. So here it says, use the menu on the right side of the program to select water and solid. Draw and describe what you see in the space below. You really have to read these directions carefully and make sure you understand them so you have the settings set correctly on the simulation. So here's the simulation again to review, and I'm going to reset it. And for starters, we're going to work in the states of matter category. And it asked us to look at water as a solid. So here is water as a solid, and I'm just kind of seeing what I notice about water in a solid. It's also going to give you some other jobs to do with this simulation, and you'll kind of look back and forth from your paper to the simulation and make changes as needed and record what you see. I'm going to grade everything you give me at the end of class today, and I really am looking for your best work, and if I don't see your best work, that might tell me something about how you were choosing to behave while the guest teachers were here. So if you're doing your best, show me your best work. Remember, the expectations are work hard, do your best. You can listen to music as long as you're not using YouTube and you're not spending too much time making adjustments. I did leave some earbuds if you need them. And also, be kind to our guest teachers. That is the most important thing. Also, be kind to your classmates and work hard. If you don't have a charged Chromebook, you can work with someone else, but you are still responsible for turning in your own paper with your own answers. And that again is up to Miss Novinska if she wants to let you do that. So if she does, show her it was a good decision and you're willing to work hard and get all your work done. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I can't wait to hear how wonderful it was for these guest teachers in the classroom. So make sure you do your best. All right, thanks and good luck. Oh, one thing I also want to mention is as you're working, try to work quickly because this assignment does give you a really good opportunity to do this optional advanced challenge. And so if you got developing a proficient or advanced on your test, this is a really great opportunity for you to jump into that advanced category in terms of the grade that I'll be giving you on first quarter. Remember, those are coming out soon. So make sure you work quickly so that you can get to this point. If you don't get to this point by the end of the day on Monday and you were working hard and just didn't have enough time, I will make sure you get enough time to get this done. So please work hard, see if you can get to this point, and if you can't, I'll help you and make sure you get it finished. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.